Hello guys, this is Avi. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 on Windows. So let's start. Go to your browser. Here in this video, I will use Chrome browser. On the search bar, you can type Visual Studio. Here you can see the first link visualstudio.microsoft.com. Here click on it. Here you can see the download options on the tab. Click here, so it will comes here. So you can see that here we have three options. These are the three additions that Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 allow us to download. So first there is Community Edition, second is Professional, and third is Enterprise. So for Professional and Enterprise are the paid version, and it gives some new features for the development activities. So we are doing in this video. I'm going and downloading the open source Community Edition. It is free, so I'm click here and download the Visual Studio 2022. When you click here, you can see it download will start. So it has done. So let me go to the download windows for the Chrome. Click Control plus J. Yo. So here you can see it will download Visual Studio setup.exe file. So you can just double click on it and it will install the Visual Studio installer. So when the Visual Studio installer install, so here it will take some time. So this is how the Visual Studio installer looks like, and we can download the different requirements that different type of according to your works. You can download this. You can select this checkbox, and you can download the appropriate software that will work on Visual Studio. So so we are doing the C sharp coding. So for that we need to select this one, .NET Desktop Development. It will allow us to do WPF, console applications, and C Sharp, .NET. So we have to select this one. If you need to run Python or Node or other requirements, if you have other requirements, you can go with the other. But I suggest you to go with for console application. We only need to go this one. So you can see here this is the download. So it will include this package, three package, and these are the optional downloads it will install. So I suggest you to go with the default. So let's click here, install while downloading, or you can directly go with install. So it required a space of 6.83 GB. This is for this .NET Desktop development. If you select other, if you select the other development kits, then you can this will increase. So for Desktop development, it is showing 6.83 GB. It required space and it takes some time. So let's install. So you can hit the install. So here you can see it is start installing. So it install its first download, and after that install it will take some time. So let's wait. It's depend on the internet connection. So let's wait for some time. Here you can see it is installed and download and installed successfully. So let me launch the application. So when you hit the launch button, it will launch the Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. So it first looks like this. It asked for to create an account or not. You can just skip this for now. Yeah, here you can select your theme. I prefer the dark one, so I go with the dark. And here in this drop down, you have different options like JavaScript, Visual C Sharp, Visual C++. So according to your requirement, you can select this. So I go with the general because it allow me to do all these options. So let me click Start Visual Studio. After that, it takes some time. So here, this is how the first when you open the Visual Studio, this is how it looks like. So here you can create a new project. You can open any folder. You can create any folder, or you can open through here this folder. You can open that folder from here. You can create a power project or solution. So for the first time, I suggest you to go with continue with without code. So this is how continue without code looks like. This is the basic templates. So you can just close this one. So here on file, here when you click on a file, so here when you click on file, you can see you can hear new. Sorry, yes, here you can see new. This is project, or you can use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus N. You can see these are the various project templates available in Visual Studio. So for the upcoming C# tutorials, I use the console app, and so that's it for the video. So in this video you have seen how to download Visual Studio 2022 on Windows.